If I look like I just woke up and I'm out here, then it's wrong. I've already brushed my teeth and I'm fresh enough to be active all the day. So let me do unboxing of these products. Well, both of these products are from Amazon, and I bought it. Well, these are the chain spray and the chain cleaner, which is very necessary for your two-wheeler. And you might be guessing what is inside this, right? I'll show you guys later how does this one work. And you say abo alik chilai ni this called number chota packet bada dhamaka. So this is a keychain. You can see out here it's from LLuvia, and these are the two handlebar razors that I'm gonna fit today in my bike, and the handle will rise by 25 mm, which will make me a little bit comfortable on the bike. So without any delay, let us get started with the cleaning process. So hello friends and welcome back to another episode. This is Abhishek and you're watching SJCAM vlogs. So it's a new day and a new vlog. I hope all of you people out there are doing fine. Well, right now I'm heading towards Siliguri. You saw in the unboxing that I've got a handlebar razor and I need to fix that on my bike. So without any delay and without further delay, I'll catch up with you guys on the road. पनि निन्द्रा नपुगेको bike को काम चाहिँ चलिरहेको छ अहिले पनि यसरी, and you can see the shocker is out, the another shocker will be out, यसको टायर देखि यसको हेडलाइट देखि everything is out right now, and अहिले बनाउँदै गर्छ आजदेखि काम हुँदैछ. So काम हुँदै गरोस्, त्यति बेलासम्म you guys enjoy a small time lapse.
ब्रोको नाम चाहिँ
मेरो सचिन
सचिन है, म चाहिँ अभिषेक है। ल भेट्दै गरौँ ल। ल कहिले हुन्छ भेट्नु?
घडी बस्छु कि देखेछु
ल ल एकदम एकदम ल।
मेरो नाम पनि सचिन।
तिमी सचिन हो? अरे वाह, सचिन सचिन रहेछ त। ल ल भेट्दै गरौँ ल। एन्ड तिम्रो नाम के भन्ने नाम?
आशिष।
आशिष है। दिस इज द बाइक अफ आशिष एन्ड वेल you can see the color scheme out here. It's really nice. I love the color and the exhaust is changed as well. This is the SC project exhaust. ल साथी धन्यवाद। ठीक है, देखना भिडियोज हाँ। ल मिलते हैं। ल ओके। So everything is done. बाइक को काम भयो and now what I have to do is I have to go to a bike washing center. It's on the opposite direction, right? So I need to take the opposite direction for GK wash, and well, the position is really different, and now my sitting posture is very comfortable. I'm not getting any kind of pain, any kind of little bit of also pain on my back. So this is one of the first modifications that I've done, and now it feels that I'm in a really good commanding posture.
Gotcha, bitch.
हात पनि मजाले भ्याइरहेको छ हो। आई मिन लाइक पहिला पनि भ्याउँथ्यो तर अहिले झन् सुविस्ता भइरहेको छ हातको ह्यान्डलिङ होइन। एन्ड ह्यान्डलिङमा पनि अब न इट्स भेरी डिफ्रेन्ट। इट्स क्वाइट भेरी नट क्वाइट बट इट्स भेरी गुड। एकदम सुविस्ता। म अलिकति पनि लिन हुनु परेको छैन। द्याट्स द बेस्ट थिङ अबाउट रेजिङ दि ह्यान्डल। हलीको जस्तो हात छैन, हलीको जत्रो हात छैन, जत्रो। This one, Hotel Alishan. So this is one landmark, Hotel Alishan, and is it this one or the GK Coach Works?
A few moments later.
So here I am at the GK car wash, and interior detailing is done, paint restoration treatment is done, anti-rust treatment is done, the wash is done out here, and after that they take the vehicle inside there and then the treatment huncha. Thanks. Bas, काम सक्यो अब सिधै चल्दैन. So I am quite happy with the wash. Actually बाइकमा धुको कति भएको थियो त्यसैले गर्दा पनि होला, तर बाइक धेरै खुसी पनि लाग्यो हो. एकदम राम्रो भिडियो छ. धेरै धन्यवाद छ. ल, so as I told you guys, I'll be catching up with you guys straight away at home. So see you guys later. Alligator.
2 hours later.
Oh yes, well it's 7:22 in the evening and I'm back at the room. Just a few minutes back I was here, and the day was very hectic because I had to sit for a very long time while servicing my bike, and after that I had to wait for a very long time while Domi was getting washed. So yes, the installation process was very easy. If you can do it yourself, that's fine. If you cannot do it yourself, then there is a garage. You can go out there and do the installation process. Anyways, with that said, I'll end my video here, and I hope you guys will like the video. If you found something interesting, do give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, press the bell notification as I always say you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, ride safe, ride hard.